We just did something incredible. We sold a unit in just one open house and at a record price. We received 16 enquiries, 9 viewings and 4 offers before closing it at an all-time high. While we can say that we sold the property in just one day, the truth is it took us more than a month of preparation. Very often, the properties that we take over may be very cluttered with peeling walls, outdated furniture, and faulty lights. Most properties are marketed and sold as is, but we at Property Hunter believe in doing more to sell it faster and at a higher price. In fact, don't just hear from us, hear it from Josh and Jaynie.
Well, I can't say enough about how incredible Paul and his team have been. They explained to us the importance of staging the unit properly so that buyers, when they came in, would see it as their potential new home. And Paul gave us great advice. He was very patient with us throughout the process and really managed things very well. And the time he was prepared to take just listening to us, not just telling us what he thought we should do, really made the difference. I always believe that it's important to listen to customers, not just tell them and try to sell them something.
We don't just do standard marketing. Our in-house team will analyze each property to adopt the best strategy, advising on decluttering, repainting, and staging up each unit with carefully chosen furniture and props. Our goal is to make each property stand out, capturing more viewers and ultimately the right buyer. We don't just rely on standard platforms like Property Guru. We make use of AI, social media platforms, home tour videos, and even geographical targeting to maximize exposure to get our sellers the best deal. At Property Hunter Singapore, we are not just selling homes, we are redefining the selling experience. It is not just a property, it is your home. Speak to us to find out how we can help you in your property journey. This is Paul, Property Hunter Singapore.